Hi everybody, it's Kelly Morgan Murley and welcome to the Great Unpacking. I know that usually when you get home from a trip, you are super tired and you just want to crash. But doing these 3 things will keep any bugs or weird things that you've brought back from wherever you've been from getting into your home. That's the first thing that I'm going to do is wash these clothes. I don't want them anywhere near the rest of my clothes. I don't put my bag on my bed. I don't want any of the clothes to touch it. I don't want the suitcase to touch it. Anything. All right, here is my clothes. Now, these space bags, I know so many of you have discovered them and love them as much as I do. And this is everything I brought on this 5-day trip where I was dressing professionally, so I have heels in here and everything. And I'm still pretty impressed with my packing ability in that I wore everything I brought except for one shirt and my swimsuit. I never did get into that, but always bring your swimsuit. You never know why you'll need it. I've needed it for 100 million things. But anyways, I got a kick out of the fact that I never did get this clothes, and yeah, my scarf is popping out, but it's going in the laundry too. So everything in here is laundry, boom, done. Suitcase half unpacked, and I have a couple of other things here. Laundry.
Laundry. Even my little slippies that I take with me.
Laundry. My bathroom bag is all of my travel soaps and shampoos and that type of thing. So there's nothing in here that really is buggy. It hasn't been by the bed. It hasn't, other than being in the suitcase with that. So I'm going to go through this and just make sure that it looks great and that I get out the things that I don't want to stow away, that I stow away in this suitcase. So that's tip number 1. Get unpacked as soon as possible. Okay, so that I'm unpacked. Boom. That's right. Tip number 2 is to get your bag outside into the sunniest spot you can and let the sun take care of whatever ails this bag. I got a kick out of the fact that they put a caution on my bag. Caution when lifting. Imagine my bag.
Travelers, this is my very favorite bag, the 21-inch wheeled Motherlode. It can be a checked or a carry-on bag, and together with my backpack, which is also wheeled, I have traveled all over the world. Affiliate links in the description below.
Third tip, wash your clothes as soon as you possibly can. Okay, travelers, let's recap. As soon as you get home, as soon as you possibly can, unpack your suitcase. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, take your suitcase outside into the sun for at least an hour or as long as you can for a day or so if you want to. Tip number 3, wash your clothes as soon as possible. By the time you have done these 3 simple steps, you will be relieved to know that your unpacking is done and you can resume your normal life and getting back to putting together those fabulous memories of the trip you just took. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below and tell me what you do when you get home from a trip. Is it anything different than I have done? We all love learning from each other. All right, travelers, have a great day and start planning that next trip. If not now, when?
Oh, what fun we had. But really, the greatest joy at this conference was meeting Maggie Cook. You simply have to check out her book, Mindful Success. It's all about gratitude and how she went from an orphanage in Mexico to a millionaire many times over with just her salsa recipe. I shouldn't say just, for crying out loud. It was everything. She's a fabulous person who does fabulous work today, and you should check her out in the description below. Travelers, for stress-free travel, pick up your copy of the 5-Day Ultimate Trip Planner in the description below. Sweet little heels, my favorite heels. Of course, I carry my Tieks. They're meant to fold inside each other and carry in a little bag they come with, but I just leave them like that. And then I brought 3 pairs of heels on this trip. And I got 1,000 compliments on those. If you ever want to check out these shoes, what is that? La Artista. Just the cutest shoes. And I had a hard time picking, so I know that they have a bunch of other cute shoes. And then a pair of nude shoes, girl, will get you so far. And these, I think, are Clark's. Yeah, and so comfy. I can walk for miles and miles in those. Okay, so that, I'm unpacked. Boom. There was a contest for the cutest shoe feet, and if I had only posed like this, maybe I would have won. I thought that was pretty ingenious, and she's a winner. Travelers, thank you so much for watching all of the way to the end of the video. Please be sure to ring the bell so that you'll be notified of the next video coming out, and hopefully that will be very soon. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. Bon voyage!